Hello, all. Very good evening. This is Karthik from RAS Cloud Technologies. So, first of all, thank you all for joining session today. So, first of all, I welcome you all to today's Snowflake DBT and ADF program. Before starting the session, I would just like take 2 to 3 minutes of your time, and I'll just explain you about our social media handles and about our website. Then I'll hand over the session to our trainer, Sai Sri. So, let me start with our YouTube channel. Okay, so we have a YouTube channel. If you just search for RAS Cloud Technologies YouTube, you can find it out. You can find it out. And this is our YouTube channel, RAS Cloud Technologies Online Job-Based Training. And we have 36,200 plus subscribers here. If you just go to the video section, you can find out videos related to many cloud technologies like AWS, Azure, GCP, Snowflake, Salesforce, okay, cybersecurity, and many others also. Just visit our channel once. If you like our content, like the video, comment on it, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. I'm sharing the yes, I'm sharing the YouTube channel link also here. In the Zoom chat, I'm sharing the link with you. You can just have a look. And we have Instagram page as well. So that is Raz Cloud Tech. This is our Instagram page. So we have 3,000 plus followers here, and we will be posting complete updates here in this particular Instagram account. So keep followers. You can find out more job openings here. Okay, especially for the job openings. So we are maintaining this profile. So you can just like subscribe to our channel. You can just follow our channel here to get all the job updates. You can find out the jobs like this. If you see the jobs, okay, so out of all other courses, like I have posted more on Snowflake only. Okay, if you see, I have posted more jobs on Snowflake only. Okay, so to get all the job updates, so keep follow our Insta page, Ras Cloud Tech. Okay, you can just search for Ras Cloud Tech and you can follow. I'm sharing the Instagram page link as well. Okay, so let me show you our website. So this is our website. If you see, like we have 1,468 Google reviews. Out of 5 stars, we have an average of 4.9 star rating. If you just open the Google reviews, just click on latest, newest one. Okay. So you can see out of, see, I have almost 17 courses here. Okay. I will show you the complete courses also. So, like I request everyone, like we have changed our URL from razinformatica.com to rajcloudtech.com. If there is any of our previous users, okay, so please like browse rascloudtech.com now, not razinformatica.com. Okay, we have changed this recently and I have shared the website link as well with you. Okay, if you just scroll down here, you can find out the different courses what we are offering right now, like generative AI, Informatica data quality and cloud data quality, AWS data engineering, Azure data engineering and Databricks, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud, AI ML, Cybersecurity, Power BI, AWS DevOps, SAP S4 HANA and FICO, GCP, Python full stack development, Python for AI and Chat GPT, Salesforce, and we have launched SAP CPI as well. Mostly from tomorrow, the web page will be available here. Okay, these many courses we are offering. Okay, if you just go to the reviews and check the reviews, for every 10 reviews, I can show you 5 reviews will be on Snowflake itself. Okay, if you can see here, the first review will be on Snowflake, badge number 15. Okay, you can see how Garvita was given the review here. And this is also for the Snowflake and DBT. Okay, and so this is also for the Snowflake. Okay, so Raghupati, I'm not sure with the course name here. Okay, so this is for DevOps. Okay, this is for Informatica, and this is also for from Informatica. Okay, so this is Aluri Sahiti. Like recently, she got job actually. You can see her. Yeah, you can see her review as well here. Okay, so she tried with the 3 years relevant experience, and total experience is 5 years. Okay, and she got 60% hike. She got 60% hike actually. Okay, you can see her review, how she just gone through the course and all. Okay, she has taken the course in October 2025 and she got placed in November last week. Okay, so this is how it is. Even you can see she clearly mentioned, even though I was not applying Naukri every day, I am still received many calls from recruiters from the Snowflake developer role. Okay, you can see the complete review here. If you want, you can just take a screenshot as well. Okay, I have shown you all the like Snowflake reviews only. I think this is also for Snowflake, not sure with the course name. DAX, this is Power BI. Okay, so this is for AWS and SAP FICO. This is Power Center against Sai came. Okay. So this is how like we have a many reviews on Snowflake only. Okay. So don't worry about it. I'll just show you like how we have given the complete course and all at the end of the course. Okay. At the end of the program, I mean at the end of the session, I'll just show you like how the people have reacted for from our previous batches in the group chat, everything I'll just show you. Okay. Just to stay connected till end of the session. I'll help you for further things also. Got it? Yes. So to know more about the Snowflake program, you can just click on the Snowflake here, or you can just go to the courses. See, apart from the courses, we have many interview questions added here, many materials, internship programs, and the jobs also we have posted here in our website. Okay. Apart from the courses, we have other things also here. And just go to the courses, click on Snowflake training, click on Snowflake training. Okay, you can find out the complete information about the Snowflake. The batch is started on 2nd of December. That was the introduction class. After that, we have done with only introduction class only. You can see the introduction class also here. If you just visit our YouTube channel, so we have done with our Snowflake free session here. This was the intro session, this was a demo, and this was the intro session. And today is the first session. Okay, and today is the first session that we are going to have. Got it? Yes. We have both morning and evening batches here. You can see here we have both morning and evening batches. And this is the evening batch started at 6:30 p.m. Okay. 6:30 p.m. to like 8 p.m. this session was. And you can see the complete information here, the technologies thought, course unique features, job opportunities, experiences and their salary ranges as well. All the information you can see in this page. Okay. And you can see the course price as well. It was 20,000 rupees and we are offering this course for just 16,409 rupees only now. Okay. So just to stay connected till end of the session, I am going to help you with the complete information on this job assistance and about the course price. There is some special offer is also available for you, the people who joined today. So each and everything I'm going to help you here. Okay. Yes. So before starting the session, I need to take your names and WhatsApp numbers. The people who enrolled already, you will get the today session recording in your group. Okay. So the people who haven't enrolled yet, just ping me your names and WhatsApp numbers here so that I'll share you the today session recording and material with you. Okay. Just drop your name and WhatsApp number over chat. If you are from a different country, please drop with country code also. If you are from a different country, please drop with country code also. I hope you can see my screen. Okay, so just drop your name and WhatsApp number in the chat, please. So we'll take a sharp 1 minute break. We'll take a sharp 1 minute break. Yeah. Okay, so please complete the task. We'll start the session. The chat is still open. I hope like you people can share your name and WhatsApp number here. Okay, to get today's session recording and all. Okay, got it? Yes. Sai Sri, over to you, please. And just like a small reminder for everyone, so today we have some special offer available for everyone, the people who joined today's session, only for today's people. Okay, just to stay connected till end of the session, you will get the complete info on this. Okay, thank you all.
Hi everyone, good evening. So today is the first class, right? So I'm going just with the concept like how to create the account. Okay, already I created in previous session with very rough way I showed you. I didn't go deep level what I'm going to help you to understand all this. But today's session dedicatedly for some time I'll completely work with the account creation and the details of the account. Okay, today only account creation. Once your account creation is completed, you can also do the same process and it's completely free. Okay, so you can also create the account. Okay, so coming to this part, yes. So we have Snowflake free trial account is already available in the market. Okay, so you no need to do anything. Just you have to go with the free trial. You no need to give any credit card, debit card, anything, nothing from your side. It's completely free, completely free. Okay, so this free trial account, what they were providing means free trial means completely 30 days free. They are providing 30 days is valid. Now that is not only the combination. $400 worth usage of credits they are using. Means the point is 400 worth if you complete, for example, within 20 days if you work you've done a lot of practice, you completed 400 worth of credits, that case also it will expire. Or else you used average but 30 days, I mean you still have some credits means till 30 days it will wait. Once the 30 days is completed, then it is expired. So 30 days point is there also it will expire. Completion of $400 also it will expire. So no need to use any card. They also mentioned clearly no credit card is required from your side. Any card, no, not only credit card, any card is not required. So this free trial account, once it is expired, then what is the next step, Sai Sri? Many people will get down. Like other cloud providers, Snowflake is not expecting every time new mail ID because here we are login, we are creating the account with the email ID. So first time you are using one mail ID. Second time also you can use. Third time 100 accounts also you can create with the same mail ID. Because my case only, I created multiple, like, I mean, multiple accounts multiple accounts I created with a one account with one email ID. Okay, email ID you have to give very correctly because you'll get activation link. So one email ID at a time. Today only you can create 10 accounts, free trial accounts of Snowflake using one email ID. So there is no restriction. Every usage time you have to use new mail ID. No restriction like that. One email ID anytime any number of accounts you can create. So that is the reason here you will face this issue in AWS, Azure, GCP, and other cloud providers. Generally, you will face this issue, right? I mean, every account creation time, you have to go and you have to give the new mail ID, right? That is not required here. We can go easily, okay? We can maintain. I am only maintaining this email ID from 4 to 5 years actually. That is the reason. So you have to give your first name, guys. You have to give your last name, okay? And here you have to do sign up by your sign up. Any reason you can give, that's not a big deal. So simple email ID is very important. Give perfectly. I mean correct email ID you have to give. So from here our story will start. Company name. Any company name you can give. You no need to submit any proofs that you are working in this company. So any company name you are wish. Any job developer role. Okay. Anything is fine. No proofs is required here. Here actually in real time guys, we won't create this account. Okay, we won't, who is coming purely non-IT background, in real time we won't do this work only. One account will create, multiple people will use. Getting my point? One account only will be created. New users, new developers who is joining in the company, who is joining in the project, they will be added to that account as a user. So your entire career, if you work 20 years in the Snowflake also, you won't create any Snowflake account. Client only will create and will give the access to us. So that is the reason no account creation. Okay, this is only for a practice purpose we are creating. In real time, this is not our job. We won't get this work to do also. Clear? Who is in IT already? You know, right? Outlook. You'll if you see Outlook at the rate. Wipro.com, @tcs.com. Like this one port, one mail ID, they will purchase one a server kind of thing. And every user will add it to that mail, right? So like that only will be the Snowflake also. So nowhere, no place we will create the accounts. No worries in that. So, but why we want to do here means for our practice purpose, and also you have to understand the roots of the Snowflake. That is the reason we are creating. Okay. In Snowflake, how many editions we have? In Snowflake, actually three editions we have. Okay. One is standard edition, one is enterprise edition, another one is business critical edition. Standard edition is very, very basic level. Basic level. Advanced features are not available. But these features are added into, you can see here, these features are added into Enterprise Edition, and extra features also added here. So Enterprise Edition, what are the extra features are there? Time travel period, multi-clustering concept, metallization, serverless features. Like this, extra features are added into the Enterprise Edition. So in real time, Standard Edition 99.5% nobody will use as a project purpose, because these all features are expected in the project level. These features are missing here, right? That is the reason. Standard plus, we are including this also in this enterprise edition, but additional features also added. For this, you no need to do anything. Edition basis, by default, you'll get all these features. So in real time, I have to decide, SaiSri, which edition I want to do. Means no, you're not right person. Developers are not right person. Client, client is the right person. Client will sit with their team, will think about the business. According to the business, they will start working with the edition part also. One time creation. This is also one time choice. Every day, every month, every year, you cannot change it. One time, if you fix, that's the long, that's it. Nobody can modify. So that's the reason it's the high level part. And because the back end, based on the edition to edition, cost also will increase. Features are increasing means obviously cost also will increase. If you purchase basic car or a middle end car, high end car, three cost differences will be the cost, same like this only. Okay, cost difference also you can identify here. So that's the reason it's completely client decision based on the business. If suppose it's a normal business, e-commerce or normal, not sensitive data business, data is not sensitive, non-sensitive database. So that kind of data, they will go with the enterprise edition only. So business owner will decide which edition. Suppose my business data is very sensitive, customer's financial related data is there. I cannot take a chance. In that case, they will come with the business critical. So comparing to this cost, little bit more cost will be available for business critical, because all the features of enterprise is added here. So same to same, but extra security. Already business critical have security. More than that, extra security will be added to the business critical. Whatever the enterprise edition is there, that related, I mean, that security plus extra security will add. Whenever additional security is adding, automatically cost also will be increased. That is the difference. Okay. So enterprise is for large scale industries which you don't have problem with sensitive data. But if sensitive data is there, means people will go with business critical. This whole decision is taken by the client, nothing but business owner. As a developers, you should know what are the additions we have in the Snowflake. Okay. So that is the reason you won't find any option like version I have to update, my Snowflake account I have to update, in progress, under maintenance. This all you won't hear in the Snowflake. Why you are not hearing in the Snowflake means Snowflake is automatically, any feature is anything is release happen, back in any extra feature is added, automatically it will applicable to the additions. So you no need to do anything from your side. Even client also no need to touch anything. Features will come, using or not using is our choice. But if any additional additional things are added into the account based on the additions means 100% they will add automatically. That is the reason you won't see any upgrade here. Anyone any doubt here? You have access for unmute. Any doubt? Thank you. Sujata, thank you. But others who have doubt, they can ask me, or else no problem, no need to give replies. No problem. Okay, no doubts. I hope so. So then we will move forward. So here, what we are going to do means we are taking enterprise only. Why I'm taking enterprise means anyway, why I need to waste my credits for business critical? I am not using any sensitive data, so I don't want to go with that. Then SaiSri, okay, that is edition basis. But what is this cloud providers? Snowflake is already cloud technology, cloud data warehouse. Then why we are coming with the cloud providers? Sorry, because why the cloud providers platform is coming means Snowflake is taking different way here. Okay, generally, if you want to use the Snowflake, if you want to use any cloud technology, cloud level warehouses, cloud level databases are very important, right? You have to take cloud at the back end, cloud databases, cloud warehouses, storage layer, cloud storage layer, cloud compute layer, nothing but execution purpose. Okay. Others who is not understanding the storage layer, compute layer, in future completely I'm going to talk about that. Terminology wise, try to digest. Okay. So cloud compute layer is for execution of the SQL queries, storage layer to store the data. That is the requirement. So every it's a warehouse. Warehouse means you'll have um, you'll have storage layer, you'll have for execution purpose also you'll have queries. So in that case, what is it required? Snowflake also requires cloud storage layer, cloud execution purpose it's required missions also compute layer. So what is happening is here Snowflake went a little bit different way. Other technologies having its own storage layer, its own way, compute layer. But Snowflake, what it is saying means already in market we have Azure, AWS, GCP. Three cloud providers are there. Okay, already they are working with the storage and compute everything. Why I need to make my own storage layer, my own compute layer from Snowflake side? Own way why I need to build. In place of that, they are taking the rented houses from the cloud providers. For example, if any supermarket is there, means that people are keeping one shop, they'll take rented shop, a rented rented storage warehouse also to store their product. They'll take rented place also. They won't purchase immediately. Okay, they won't purchase immediately that place, but they will take rent purpose. If really the store is established and it settled down for so many some years, expected way they are getting the income is they will purchase their own generally. If you can see what will say Amazon, we have their own rented warehouses, Reliance, like that more supermarket, Ratnadip. So many people are taking rented warehouses only to store their product. So like that, Snowflake also saying in place of creating, I cannot invert so many regions are there, so many locations are there. Within the short time, I cannot reach there. In place of that, already these three cloud providers are available in different locations. So I will take for the rental resources for storage and compute purpose from them. That is the reason if you host on AWS, then even we have different locations also. Suppose if you hosted on Singapore location, this particular account will take the space, a storage space in the Singapore location under AWS. If you take Azure means Azure location under that particular Pune. If you take GCP, GCP related under Middle East. Like that, wherever based on the client expectation and requirement, wherever they are expecting, if they choose that location and that cloud providers, we will take the rental resources from that cloud provider and we will rent the storage and compute layer. Like this they are doing, this is the smart work. Then Sahishri, if they are doing like that, I want to learn these technologies. You no need to learn anything, you no need to learn three of this. Why? Because they're saying we will take care about at the back end. You no need to touch any account creation or any account management at the back end of these three. Just you have to give the choice. What is your choice? What's your expectation? Just provide us those details. We will take end-to-end information. We will deal with. You have to pay the money as per your storage cost and compute cost. That's it. What you used, pay for that. You no need to do any extra job from your side. We will take care from our end. That is the way how they are handling the renter storage layer and compute layer. Got my point? Hello, are you there, guys? Getting my point? What I'm explaining you? You start speaking with me, so it makes you comfort in future. Every day I'll expect from you questions also, just not one side classes. Okay, it's no useful to you and me. If you interact, I can understand with your
Hi,
question.
I'm audible.
Hi, hi. Yeah, right. You are audible.
If you're working with the Snowflake, that will be the like is coding part of SQL, right? Or any
Yeah,
other thing?
pure SQL. You won't touch any other
Okay.
language only.
So we need to before know the SQL for when we are do this course, right?
If you know SQL, that's fine. If you don't know SQL, before,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, parallelly you can you can learn SQL with Snowflake. Because without a select start from, you will get general, I'm saying. So, like that, every day you can improve. Parallel, you can join in the course. We are
Okay.
not completely writing the SQL query. We're learning the concepts of Snowflake. Na? Concepts you
Okay.
learn parallelly daily. If you spend 1 hour, you can complete the
Mhm.
SQL course also. Already our
Yeah.
team is
Second question we
providing
have.
that.
Yeah. Sorry for that. Second question we have the Snowflake developer also same kind of work, right? When or something like this Snowflake developer there, right?
Snowflake developer related topics I am focusing completely. Completely
Okay.
all the students will settle on the Snowflake developer position. No admin. No admin I
Okay.
won't
Thanks.
encourage also. Yeah.
Thanks. Thanks.
No much opportunities are not there in the market. Okay. Thank you. This related part, any questions? Okay, fine. Fine. So any this choice also client choice, not our choice. This is also one time work only. Client will take care. We cannot do anything from our side. Okay. So once he chose, then he will create it, that account will use. So whatever the charges it required, all the Snowflake will do. We won't talk with AWS only. If I host like this, I won't talk in AWS only. Vicky, tell me, what's your question?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, if we, I mean, like, what is the difference between the Snowflake and IACS, ma'am? What's the, I mean, since
That is, that is also warehouse technology, Informatica related. Comparing to IACS, Snowflake is more upgraded technology as per cloud.
okay, ma'am. I
Mhm.
mean, like,
If
it's,
you go deep level, lot of differences also you can see. I'm not IAS background, but in market, Snowflake have more this part benefit. Yeah.
okay, ma'am. Let's say for an example, if there's someone ask me like what is Informatica, we can just say that it's an extract, transform, and load tool to
It's a
load.
data warehouse too.
Yeah.
Data warehouse. That's it.
Yeah.
This is also data warehouse only.
So Snowflake is nothing but an ETL tool, right?
Yeah.
Or
ELT.
yeah, it's a ELT, and
Mm.
I mean it's same as Informatica and IACS. It's another technology, right?
And the technology. Yes, right.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thanks. Yeah.
Future wise, futures will be there back end. Lot of differences you can find.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That Redshift also is there. If I say
Mhm.
like that, so many are there, na? Yeah.
Yeah. Why do we say that it is a data warehouse, man? Because it's since it's a
Data actually in business, if you establish any company also, you will connect databases to your company system. All the customers data of yours, company customers data, yours data, your company product data, whatever may be data, that all you will push into databases. Okay, which is very safe side. After that, if you want to know about your business, how it is happening, manually we cannot do these reports, right? The data you will transfer to warehouses technologies. We will do that analysis, how your business is working, how you can grow. I mean, we will give the reports back and from our side.
oh,
Simple. Yeah.
so in this also we'll be seeing like data flow, workflow, and with that we'll pull the data from the databases and load that into the another tables. Those kind of things will happen.
All obviously everything.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thanks. Yeah.
So I am doing a Singapore, right? At backend, it will create the Singapore location. It will take AWS. This all combination. It will allocate the storage. If you use, you will pay the storage purpose. If you don't use anything, nothing to pay from your side. Okay. You I mean Snowflake only will generate the bill. AWS won't come into the picture. I'm just saying get started. Let me remove this all. Just catch it. I'm skipping this all survey purpose. So I'll get the link here now. Generally don't take that much time. Maybe my internet problem. Generally don't take this much time. Within a minute I can create. Completely my internet problem. One minute it will take much. I said no, internet problem on. Oh, within second I create. So I got the mail to this mail ID. Mail ID is very important. Yes, you have to give correct mail ID, or else you won't get mails. Activation link we will get. Like, actually, you'll get like this link. Okay, click to activate. You have to say automatically it will open. Takes time, no problem. Meanwhile, I will take another. I have already account. I don't need to worry on that. If once it is activated, I'll get like this welcome. I can log in. This is previous account. I'll try to get this one also activation. Takes time. Let's see. Let's wait for some time. So once you activate it, you'll get account. It will ask for first time. It will ask username and password, and again one more time confirmed password. Two times you have to do. That's it. Every time the same work you have to do. I mean, you want if you want link, you can go to your Gmail ID and you can get link if you lost the link also. Okay. So guys, here, this is the Snowflake account. Okay, this is the home page. So many options are there. So here we will have a worksheets. Okay, if you want, you can go to here and you can get the different worksheets. Okay, so all you have, you no need to touch all this. Not required for you. So just you can go to the SQL files, node. This all Python is there. We won't use all this. We won't use. Okay, you no need to worry on this. Okay, completely. This is the ML and AI people also included in this technology. I mean, in this platform. So those people related information also they will add AI and ML. That is the reason it's a mixed of Python and SQL. As a developer, as a Snowflake developers, we will use SQL only. No doubt in that. Complete throughout my sessions, I'll use SQL. I won't touch any topic for explanation also. Okay. So if you go here, actually projects you can say. Yeah. If you go here, you'll get here worksheet related information. Okay. You can go to different worksheets will be there. workspace, anything if you want. We won't use all this, but anything if you want, you can go here also. SQL file. If you want, you can name it. All this we can do. So every day I will use this. This is not one day work for me. Completely every day I will work with this platform. So here you can see free trial account. This is free trial account. Okay, I mean free database actually, not free trial. Free databases, free tables. This all you can see. Okay, sample database, sample tables. This sample data for that purpose they provided. Okay, so if I go deep level, this is not our part. Here you can see. Okay, these all databases. Okay, if you go to databases, my customized means I created this database. So okay, I got the link, guys. This is the link I'm looking. So like this, you'll get. Okay, click to active. This is the thing I'm expecting. So you will get the here. You can give your one username. Also, you can use multiple times. Every time you no need to give different usernames, password. One username, one password for lifelong. You can use. Okay. Okay, fine. So, like this is a fresh account you can see. Okay. Here you will see SQL. You can click SQL. Worksheet will be created automatically. Okay. If you want extra worksheets also, if you click on this, automatically extra worksheets also will be created. Like this account will be there. So in this sample fresh account like looks like this sample data sets. Okay, means database in that schema in that table. You will see all this. So you will get all this. Okay, database schema tables. Okay. So this is sample data. Okay, sample data is not created by me. Everyone who created new accounts for everyone you will have. Suppose if I create sample database, create database sample, you'll have like this sample database. Okay. By default, information schema means whatever the tables, views, all we are creating that related information, not complete information, that related metadata information will be available. If you want to create the table under public or any customized schemas, if you have, you can create here. So create schema. Sorry. If you want any schema, you can do test schema. Any schema you can create. Under this, you can create table test ID enter. So like this, anything you can create tables, schemas, everything you can do as per your customized requirement. Okay. So customer requirement will be there. According to that, we will do all this. So generally, database followed by schema, schema followed by table. Today I'm not explaining you deep level because this is not right time. Slowly we will jump into the project topics. Okay. To the overview, just overview. I'm showing you how the account looks, what are the things available like that. So don't take it is the final session, not like that. Again, I will show you how to create the database, privileges, all this I will cover. So this is my database. Inside of database, schema. Schemas will be there. Okay. Inside of the schema, tables. Like that, any object you'll see here. So schema also, if you see inside of schema, see, I will explain you types of tables, permanent, transient, temporary, external table. That all I will explain you. Dynamic table, this concept also I'll explain you. This is also auto refreshment code. Dynamic tables are auto refreshment tables. I'll explain you. Views also standard, metallized, secure, metallized. These four types of views I'm going to talk with you. Okay. This is not ours again. We have to go with the ML and AI people. Stages, yes. Internal stages I will discuss. External stages also I will discuss with you. File format, yes, I will discuss with JSON, XML, CSV. This all I will discuss with you. This is also not ours. ML and AI people. This I will Snowpipe. I am going to touch the Snowpipe perfectly. No need to worry. Streams, yes. Stream also I will touch. Task, yes, I will touch. Functions, yes, we have two types of functions, scalar and tabular, that I'm going to touch. Procedure, yes, store procs I'm going to touch using SQL only, no other languages, pure SQL only I'll use. Remaining all related, again related to the ML and AI people. These are all topics. Apart from this, so many topics are there, but randomly I'm explaining you. So their worksheets we will write the queries. Backend it will reflect to the databases, tables, views, all this will be reflected. Okay. So this is the way. This is data sharing concept. I will explain you. Roles and users. Yes, practically I will explain you. Everything, guys. Not one concept. Everything. Whatever. If I run any query, how to check the query history. Yes, I will explain you. So whatever the real time work I am doing, what I am experiencing on regular basis, everything I'll explain you. Okay. So you no need to worry on this part. But if you want to learn Snowflake, it's not like one day work. You have to be patient and you have to go with the day by day topics. One day, within one day, I cannot do any magic. Okay. So we have to be patient. One or minimum one class, if you continuously go through my classes, slowly you'll come into my path only. You'll learn, understand. Okay. Some people will adjust 2 to 3 days. Some people will take 1 week, no problem. If you have any doubts, also no problem. I will cover end to end, guys. What are the roles? What is the different roles? How to use customized roles? That also I will cover. How to create the warehouse? That also I will cover. Not this and that. All the developer related part I am going to cover. So finally, we will work every day in this interface. Interface will be like this. We will work on regular basis. Okay. Got the clarity? Questions? Today I'm giving overall of account view only. I'm not teaching any topic also specifically. Be comfort with the account. Clear? Vicky, yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, can we try for the roles of Snowflake architect also with this knowledge, or is it,
Architect. Okay, good question. Any other question?
that's it, ma'am?
Okay. Architect, if you not only Vicky, for everyone I'm saying, if you have 12 years experience, 11 years experience, 10 years experience, I don't recommend anyone to go directly to architect level. Okay, architect is a very, very, very toughest and important role in the project. Okay, so without having developer experience, how you will teach them how which topic is good, how to design the project. So my guidance always will be there. If your experience is more also, minimum 1 year or 2 years, minimum 1 to 2 years. First work with the developer only, then according to that you can go with the architect positions. Directly if you jump right now in the architecture, if you get by luck, if you get the job also, without exploration of the developer position, you will be struggled. That is my answer. So architect or a Snowflake developer package won't be different. 1 or 2 lakhs difference only you'll say. Package wise no compromise. Position wise developer will learn more than architect level of the Snowflake. That is the reason I'm saying. If anyone have that expectation, I don't say no for you, but first be good with the developer position minimum 2 years, then jump to the architecture. You no need any training for that also. This concepts only how you will design the project and the Snowflake project, you have to explore there in the interview. That's it. So that is my suggestion, Vicky.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks.
And who will learn more in the Snowflake positions means developer position only will learn. 20 years person worked, two persons, not one person. Different persons, 20 years experience people worked with me. They're still working as a Snowflake developers. Because learning curve and the salary, all combinations, piece, everything, developer position have. So even I also look for developer position only. Generally, my opinion I'm saying. It's up to you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thanks.
Any questions? Be free, guys. Not like a trainer and students. As a colleague, please be free. You can ask any question, any relevant question, any meaningless question. No problem. First, keep your brain very free. Like, okay, this doubt is this. I should give explanation. That's it. Don't keep doubts with you. Okay.
Sai Sri, we are
Tell me.
writing some queries here, right? How they will,
Mm,
whether sometime, whether the query will take some time to execute, right? They will
mm.
charge per time, or how they will charge?
They will
Whether
charge per a credit how much time it is executing. Credits will be at the back end. Credits will take. Okay.
Hmm.
Here warehouse is there, for example, like this credits will be there. This is one topic, one day topic for us anyway. One credit, how many minutes it is running, according to that credit per minute, it will charge.
Okay.
Not
If this,
uh,
if the session is inactive, then they won't charge anything, right?
no, nothing. It automatically, our warehouse, this warehouse is there, this will go into the suspend mode and it won't charge anything to us.
What about data storage?
How much size size you have to say MB, KB, GBs, right? That based on the size of the data, it will charge to you. There is you no need to store extra space for your future. Today you got the data, you loaded 1 GB data,
Hmm.
1 TB data. Tomorrow
Hmm.
you half of the data you removed from your tables, for example. So tomorrow's overall average usage of the monthly charges they will charge you. So like other technologies, in future I will get 2 TB data in month of January. I have to expand my space like that. You no need to do anything. Automatically space will increase. If you remove the data, automatically it will decrease. So finally, average usage of the size it will charge to you. Completely automatic process. Developers or admin, nobody will need to take care about size, space of the Snowflake storage layer.
And
Okay.
yeah, whether this scaling will automatically did
Uh,
based on the data is coming
Automatic.
to Snowflake,
Yes,
right?
right. Storage increasing space or decreasing space, everything automatically. Admin, developer, nobody have to give any query or any alert for the account, like other technologies. Be calm, it will do it. That's it.
I see. Storage can't be automatically managed, right? For example, it could be
Mm.
some analytical data. So how does that automatically manage? How Snowflake will manage that?
Snowflake company is there, na? Not we, not our client also. Complete Snowflake company, I'm saying. The company, how they design means you push the data. As per your data, we will create the micro partitions. We will increase the space to store your data. Suppose you delete the data, the micro partitions will remove means we will automatically reduce the space. So that process completely Snowflake team, I mean account only is doing automatical process only. You no
That
need
is
to
for, you're
adjust
talking about
any.
the billing, right? Like for billing, it
No,
is
no,
automatic.
not billing. See, automatic as per your generally, generally I'm saying, uh, how you are. I mean, what you experienced previously. You have to give any signal like data is coming. Please increase the size, or something like that. Space, something like that.
Yeah,
If suppose our mobile is there, maximum size 1 TB. For example, my mobile storage is 1 TB. Am I right? If I
yeah.
reached one more GB data, if I loaded, almost 1 TB will be closed. That much I loaded means it will give 90% is completed, 10% left. Please purchase speed or something. It will give message, right? Mobiles
Yeah.
generally
Huh.
like that. Snowflake won't do.
Okay.
It's a fixed size for a mobile. It's a fixed size. Laptops also almost I think fixed only, right? Drives all this. Like that, there is no fixed. Unlimited space it will provide. So I am providing unlimited. So you have to pay unlimited cost means no. How I
Uh,
will give full space for you. How much space your data is occupying? That much room only you have to pay for us. That
okay.
is
The
the
remove. What I'm asking is the removal part. Like once it is filled for 1 TB, I should be
uh,
paying that, right, to Snowflake for 1 TB.
1 TB data only you will pay.
Okay. If I want to remove that, should be from our end only, developer side. We have to
If you
first.
yeah, we or a client decided this is unwanted tables, unwanted data, you will drop the table. Automatically data will
That is
also
not
will
done
be.
by the Snowflake, right?
How they know about our data?
Yeah, that's what
That
I
is
was
not.
asking. Okay.
No, no, no. Once you drop it, then it will understand these people are cleaning this space. It's empty. They are not using, so they will
Mhm.
reduce the cost.
Okay, got it.
Why they will clean our data without our permission?
Yeah, that's what I was confused. Yeah.
No, no, no. I confused. Okay. Fine. Previously, we used to hear some storage outage, like that. Some words we used to hear in the projects. Here, nobody can give that information. My storage is out of box, like that. Some nothing, no messages. Because 1 TB, not 100 TB is also it is ready to increase the space. Na? That all
Mhm.
issues are resolved here overall.
Yeah, what about infra cost?
No infra cost. Maintenance 10%. Suppose you paid $100 through this month, December month, you paid $100, for example. Okay, in that overall bill, 10% will be dedicated for cloud service layer. Cloud service layer only is taking care about the maintenance of Snowflake account for different features. That's it. Again, separate infrastructure is not there.
Yeah.
You'll pay for storage layer, compute layer. In total overall billing, you cannot see this all in real time. Even I also, nobody, client won't allow, na? Generally. Overall $100 if client is paying means in that they will dedicate only 10% for cloud service layer, means infrastructure management, remaining all for storage and compute layer. Like that they will divide the bill. Because we are not doing any installation, na? It's completely software. So that software is maintained by cloud service layer, high level. It may be metadata, serverless features, or it may be privacy, security, data security, role management, privilege, what not, like maximum things Snowflake maintenance is done by cloud service layer only. Lot of our brains we have to use properly how to resolve or how client is expecting how that results we have to bring. That's the thing we have to I mean we have to do our hard work. Remaining all Snowflake already give fixed options to us. No need to do much hard work for maintenance purpose. Client will give one requirement, proper data sets we have to bring. There's a place where we have to break our heads simple with SQL only, that is also. Admin people also don't expect bulk admin people won't be there. One or two people maximum, that's it. That is also they will look at Snowflake and the other technologies also they will maintain. Dedicatedly admin people nothing to do here. They don't want to sit dedicatedly only, mainly. Daily what they will do. Almost Snowflake is doing maintenance. Okay.
Yeah.
Any other question?
Yeah, ma'am. Let's consider in a Snowflake, we are writing a job. The jobs picks the files from the source, and a lot of transitions are happening in the
Mm.
load data flow. At the end, with the target table, we are loading the data. So, how
Mm.
do we schedule this job, ma'am? Usually.
Task concept. Pure Snowflake only have to handle the scheduling part means task is the concept. It will
Okay.
schedule.
Yeah, like with the airflow or something, can we schedule these jobs?
That is outside of Snowflake. Outside of Snowflake, Tidal is there, Airflow is there, Control M is there. So many are there. But if you
So,
know Python, if you know pure Python, you are ready to write Python programs and functions, then only we have to talk about Airflow.
okay, here we don't want this. We can schedule it direct.
Without, without us Airflow, I
Yeah.
done multiple projects.
Okay.
Tidal is that I will suggest Tidal. Who want orchestration tool? I will suggest Tidal. In YouTube also you can look. I don't ask you to. I'm not asking you to learn actually. Just look
Okay.
at interface on it. It's completely GUI interface. GUI. No need to write any program. I
Oh,
worked with the Tidal. That's the reason. My project Tidal is there. That Tidal person will be there dedicatedly. We every day I won't give scheduling jobs, right? You schedule that this already one time schedule part. Every time it will trigger. One time only you'll set your alarm, right? In
yeah.
mobile. Every
Yeah.
time it will, same kind of job only. So any new requirements comes, one time we will pass the details to that title person. He used to fix that. That's it. So
Okay.
that person used to handle. That is the reason. If you want orchestration in your resume, if you don't know anything, I will prefer title to go with you because that's a GUI. No questions they can ask you. No need to
Oh,
ask any questions.
okay. Got it.
That's a airflow. If you touch,
Yeah.
what is DAG? What is a lot of stuff is there airflow.
Yeah,
It-
because if some, I mean, like I have already worked on the airflow. So
mm,
in that case,
You can
we can use it, right?
you can use your profile is okay, but
Oh.
others, including me, I also don't touch airflow. I don't
Mm.
know Python.
And this is DBT, ma'am, what we have discussed now, like a build data, build transform. What is ADF?
ADF for before Snowflake. DBT is coming after Snowflake, right? Snowflake data we have. After that, for transformation, DBT we have is there. But before Snowflake, I want to get the data into Snowflake. Na? That nowadays, nowadays, from long time I'm saying this profile pipelines. In place of going MySQL server directly and loading the Snowflake, they are keeping AWS or Azure. Okay. If you are taking Azure, combination will be ADF. Okay. If you are a cloud provider, if they choose the AWS, Snowpipe, loading the data. They won't do anything, just loading the data into Snowflake. That's it.
I mean,
Like this.
yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, it is like loading the data from the other
My
applications
ah
to
data
the data into the Snowflake. We may use in AWS Snowpipe or ADF in Azure.
Azure. That's it. Here also Azure also can use Snowpipe, no problem. It's a suitable and applicable only. But ADF is the more advanced. That's the reason projects are preferring ADF.
Okay, got it.
This is all additional project plan actually, not compulsory. If you don't want all this, directly we have connectors actually. You can go happily with the connectors. But project following these patterns more nowadays, all the projects, including I only worked with this combination many projects. That is the reason I am also following.
Okay.
So if I say first of all, we will be load the data in the Excel because that data will be loaded now in the Snowflake.
No. Excel not. No. Directly we will MySQL server people will have some credentials and some process. They only will push, they will convert their table data into .csv file like that and they will push into any cloud provider, AWS or Azure. From here we will touch from AWS or Azure we will touch the data using techniques and we will load into Snowflake. Again, we no need to convert any Excels like
So
that.
from database to AWS, who will be means who will be do this thing?
MySQL, who is the database developers, they have to do. They won't provide access to you. This is the company's main data. It's a very crucial, important part. Na? They won't give access to everyone.
So they will
So
be
I,
transfer the data in the cloud, and after that will be
as a files, they will
in the
as
Excel
a
file only.
CSV. Excel is not supported
CSV,
by
sorry,
Snowflake.
CSV. Okay, CSV
Yes.
files. Okay.
From there you have to deal everything. Nobody will
Okay.
involve.
So first of all, we will be create ETL pipelines. Also, all these things. What is this? ETL pipelines and all these things we need to create.
ETL. Extract, transform, load. We are following ELT, extract, load, and then transform. So Snowflake is we will extract the data from AWS to Snowflake and load the data into Snowflake. So EL transformation we will do in DBT with DBT or without DBT. After loading, we will do transformation ELT. If you say
Okay.
ETL without loading only, you will do all the transformations and then they will load. That is for what. Fight train, Matillion, that kind of fighter Matillion, there they will do ETL. They will transform and then they will load the data into Snowflake. That is ETL.
Okay. So we need to learn Matillion also in this case.
Not required, not required. Don't go any deviation. Matillion is not there in market. It's a very tough tool. Nobody are using now. No opportunities also. Don't touch that.
Okay. So we need to create a snow pipe only means to move the
No,
data.
yeah. Whatever I am saying, follow that. That pipelines are enough to get the job.
And after that, that data will become in our table. After that, will be create procedure on that table means what we will need to that data, or will we share that Power BI team means that data
Yeah.
visualization.
Once final data will be loaded, fetched by reporting team, maybe Power BI or Tableau. Reporting team only will handle that.
And why we are getting procedure functions in this? What is the use of that?
Bit procedures means that is bit before reporting tool. We will do lot of transformation. I want to create the table. I want to insert the data, delete the duplicates, and blah blah. So many transformations I have
So
to
you
do.
will be called the
That
procedure. Okay. So
inside
you will
of
be called the
procedure.
procedure.
Inside of
All
procedure,
these
I'll
things.
keep all this and I will call the procedure. That calling
Okay.
function also I will add to the task. The task will do schedule basis. Every day, how when at store proc you want to call, you no need to touch. Task only will do that.
Okay. Okay.
At all.
Okay.
Others who
But
don't know all. Oh yeah, tell
I
me.
heard
Sorry.
about that. I heard about that. Ki we need to create a ETL pipeline through Python script and all these things we need to
That,
learn.
see, 100 projects, one or two projects you will hear, right? Remaining 98, 97 will be there. In that 50 projects, my process only will follow. So
Okay.
don't need to deviate. We
Okay.
don't know. You know, okay, one thing. ETL is there. I want to create the Python script. Actual background we have to know. Why they are taking Python? What is the purpose? First, why they are using Snowflake? What other technologies they are using? What is the purpose of that project to handle the Snowflake? That all, if you explain, I can say behind that scenes.
Okay.
We don't know anything and we cannot pipe nowadays projects. Multiple things will happen. Snowflake, some people will use like a database. They won't do any much transformations also. Very, very, very less transformation, very less. Basic transformations they will do. They'll keep all the data into Snowflake. Then that projects you do nothing to do from your side. Just you will load the data, you will sit. You won't work maximum more than 4 hours. You don't have to work also. That kind of projects. Generally, I'm saying project to
Only for
project.
only to load the data means we are using Snowflake. Lot of companies.
Sometimes some
Okay.
projects, not all
Okay.
the
Okay.
projects. Mixed
Okay.
combinations are there. So if you heard that kind of, then you will ask me why SaiSri DBT we want to use. In my friend project, they are using for just loading purpose. We cannot look at your friend project, na? You are going with
Mm-hmm.
new opportunity means your path will be different.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Thank you.
So don't compare anything. Python they're using, you mention only that, but why that I need lot of details for that to give justification.
Yeah,
Okay.
because lot of companies. My friend is working on
Ah,
that, so they are saying that a lot of companies are asking Python also for this Snowflake.
see, my students, you can go with the reviews, recent reviews only. 1 month, this month also you'll have reviews. I mean, this is a November month means
Mm.
November, October. This all people don't know Snowflake. Oh, sorry, Python. Okay, only they know
Okay.
what I taught them, and what I know. They know that only. This many people won't get the jobs, na?
Okay. Okay.
You can trust me.
And ma'am,
Tell me.
yeah, mostly like in this career, there will be no more much developments. Mostly we'll do the support, like in other existing projects. So will it be the same
Hmm.
for Snowflake also, or will be
Yeah. Support means it's not a normal support. Technical support, enhancements, I will say generally, we will call it enhancements.
enhancement?
Enhancements will be very lot. It's a completely enhancements will do because data, right, we are giving to reporting team. So always we have to clean something will be there to work. So
Oh,
existing projects, if you joined, you will do more enhancements. New project you joined, you will do scratch work, means from building the pipelines, very basic to high level you will do. There's a
yeah,
difference. Something, but support means without using brain, that kind of supports you cannot expect here.
that I get it.
Yeah, some works will be there. They'll give some queries, blindly they will apply. That's it. Support team. They don't know what they are doing also.
Okay, okay,
That kind of we cannot expect.
okay.
Any other questions, guys? Okay, Sai Sri, this is the first class, so she is giving a chance to ask many questions and very calmly she's giving the answer. Do if anybody thinking, I'm not blaming anyone, just one or two people will have that. I mean, trainers will do this all. I'm not that kind of trainer. You can who have this kind of doubts randomly touch any batch, any day recording. You can ask to my admin team for you. They will provide specially that day class. Any class, I'll be like this only. Maximum, I'll close the session after completing your doubts. If suppose any worst situation, time is out completely, 8 o'clock is completed. Some batch is waiting. Other after 8, other batches also will be there. Other trainings. Maybe they are getting issue because of our long run. Then I will stop for the day. Next day I will continue. But that situation I never faced. But any case, worst case I'm saying. But I never say no to your questions. Your wish, you ask any questions. What I know, 100% I'll keep efforts. What I don't know, I will learn and I will explain. But I don't say no to your questions. Why? Because I'm not God. Everyone, I am also learning like you only. Because you are asking me the questions, my mind also going in the deep level. So I will try take as a learner as not as a trainer myself. So be free, feel comfort with me. Ask me any doubts, no problem. You have to practice. I say I'm asking a lot of doubts, still I'm not getting the job. This kind of questions don't ask me. Asking the questions, not asking the questions, and learning according to that part also important. So learn from your side. Throw questions on me. I will take care about that question. Okay. Every day questions will be there. I will give 100% time to ask the question. After you are saying no, Sai, we are done means then I will close the session. Every day this only will happen. 1.5 hours, 6:30 to 8 o'clock session will be there. Anytime if I'm taking very small topic, daily one topic only you can expect from me. I cannot rush with multiple topics every one day. Multiple topics not going to rush. Okay, one day one topic only. That topic is very small. You understood very easily within 1 hour. that cases only 1 hour, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 15 minutes, I'll wind up the session. No, that topics is long, it required next day also, I will drag to next day. So this is the way how I am giving trainings. Okay. If you have any doubts on my trainings also, you can ask me. No problem. Okay. Without being this much flexible, I cannot complete this many batches, right? That's the reason I'm saying I'm okay with anything. Be free, comfort. Tomorrow also you can come. Again, one more flexibility. Before 1 week, suppose 1 week before you completed the topic, you are practiced yesterday or day before yesterday. You have doubts. After completing today's topic, people will end their session, right? You can come with your old doubt, no problem. So there is no restriction. Today's doubt today only. That is not possible. You have to practice. Then you will get doubts on yesterday's topic. That also fine. That flexibility also I'm giving. How much you will use, how much you will prepare is a very important step here. Okay. Okay, guys. Thanks from my side. I done from my side. 10 more minutes are there. Karthik will handle from here. If you don't have any questions, Karthik will take from here. Karthik, I think nobody have any questions. Everyone is good. Karthik, are you there? Helping him. So guys, my training will be like this one, okay? Don't judge. Like one day only they will give interest. No, no, nothing like that. Because if you ask many questions, I will also think in more ways, right? There is benefit to me. I'm also learning more from you. Karthik, are you there? Any other questions, guys? Meanwhile,
For applying jobs, you prefer like Naukri, the same things.
or yeah, that all in the end also I will explain.
Okay.
Tomorrow the sessions will be continued.
I think this week they will go with alternate. I also will check with them. This week should be like alternate because people have to complete SQL classes already. This week, I mean, our admin team shared the SQL classes. For that, they are going with alternate. I think next week onwards it will be continuous classes only. No change in
Okay.
that. Again, guys,
And
every Monday
yeah.
to Monday to Friday we will have class. But December, already Christmas holidays, January 1st, Sankranti. If this kind of holidays I'm getting and I'm getting less classes, working sessions, any Saturdays I will add to recover that top days. Okay, holiday 25th I'm giving is random Saturday. Some Saturday I will take. You have to accept me because we cannot take 5, 6 holidays, right? Continuously. We will waste 1 week. That is the reason I'll give holidays for the festivals, everything. That holidays I will take somewhere on the Saturdays. And Monday to Friday, 100% you will have class. Worst case, my system is problem or my power cut or any medical emergency. This kind cases only I will take the break. That break also I will announce. If I don't announce, at least admin team will announce. Without my announcement, nobody, I mean, my side or admin side, without our messages, classes won't be cancelled. So regularly you can expect the classes. Don't expect one every week, every month I'll take holidays. I won't take much holidays. I'm very strict. I'll take maximum classes. 99% one holiday overall batch I will take. That is also very rarely. So don't expect that much holidays in my class, okay? Karthik, are you there? Ravi, you are asking something. Sorry, I interrupted you.
Yeah, I was just asking, is it only 25th or the 25th whole week?
25th December, that's it.
Okay, okay, fine. Yeah.
25th and January 1st and Sankranti 1 or 2 days. If people ask me, no, Sai Sri, we cannot join like that. More demand is there as per poll. I will go with 2 days. That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
So your overall 4 holidays or 5 holidays you'll get in this batch. I think 4 only, as per my knowledge. That 4 holidays, 4 Saturdays I will cover. I won't leave. because my intention is not to complete the batch. How many days we delay, that many opportunities we'll miss, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So look at that. As a trainer, I don't have any problem to take the delay. Karthik, are you there?
SaiSri, immediately after
Yes,
completing,
Sai.
we can,
Yeah, tell me. Sorry.
yeah, immediately after completing the course, we can apply for
Job.
positions.
Yes.
Then,
Today I completed, means tomorrow onwards you can apply, or else after completing Snowflake, after completing Snowflake and DBT also you can apply. You can start applying, no problem. But your preparation should complete it parallelly with my training. That is your. Some people will take time, right? Totally personal, individual choice.
okay.
Yeah. Okay, Karthik will take from here. He's waiting from long time. Karthik,
Hi everyone, this is Karthik. Yeah, this is Karthik again. So just like I heard like one question, like someone asked to Sai Sri Garu, like from when I can apply for the jobs. Okay, so a good question actually. See, the people who are consistently upskilling themselves, that means whoever completing the classes on the daily basis, they only can go for the interview immediately. Okay, let's say that a student is there, a student he is continuously attending the all classes, or somehow like even if he missed the classes also on the same day and or the next day itself he is completing the classes. At that time, see, every class, watching the class and practicing the session, okay, both the things, if you have done both the things, for sure if the course is completed today, from tomorrow itself you can start applying. Let's say that a candidate is there like who attended the first 15 classes regularly, after like 10 days or 15 days he took gap, again he started taking the classes from that particular session, so obviously even the course completes also, he is not ready to go for the interview, right? When you are consistently doing, when you are consistently attending the classes, when you are consistently putting your efforts, yeah, definitely like you can start job search immediately itself. Okay, yeah. Yeah,
Yes.
there is some more questions, please go ahead. Yeah, I can see someone is asking question here. Okay, so let me just brief you here. So we have changed our company registration to like a private limited, and you have seen here the rascloudtechnologies.com. Okay, so earlier it was rasinformatica.com. Now it is rascloudtech.com. Okay, got it? The people who are using your previous links, okay, if you have stored some links of Ras Cloud Technologies, and if you are using that links may not work now. Okay, so this is the latest website of us, that is rascloudtech.com. Okay, this is our website. So if you have any questions, you can just like reach out me on this number 8105296858. Got it? This is the number like where you can reach out me directly. And if you just scroll down here, you can see the complete information about the Snowflake, what are the technologies that we are covering here, the course unique features, job roles, and the experience and the salary ranges. See, you can get up to 40 to 50 LPA also in Snowflake. Got it? So without any coding, without any data science, something else here. Okay. So with completely like usage of this Snowflake and Snowflake tools only, you are going to get like more than 40 plus LPA very easily. Okay. Even if you have a just a 6+ years experience in other technologies, even though you are doing a programming also, you don't have any scope to get a 30 LPA also. But here you have a chance to get a 40 to 50 LPA also. Okay. So this is a course which is giving you like more opportunities right now in the market. Okay, for the next 4 to 5 years, definitely like you no need to look back, or you no need to look for any other technologies to upskill yourself. Okay, so whatever the combination that we are training you here, this combination is more than enough to get into the job. Got it? Yes, as I said you, there will be some special offer, a special offer will be there for you. So the course price is 16,499 rupees. Okay, so this is the course price, you can see here. So on this course price you can get a 10% discount on this, 10% discount on the course price, so that the discount will be like a 16,000 sorry 1,650 rupees will be your discount. So your course price will be 14,750 rupees will be your course price. Okay, so after discount, so whoever wants to enroll today, your course price will be 14,750 rupees. Got it? We have both morning and evening batches here. Okay. Okay, so we have both morning and evening batches. The batch which is started today, this is a evening batch. Evening 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. This batch timings are. Okay, so you just plan accordingly. And if you want the morning batch, yes, the morning batch will be starting in another 10 to 15 days. Okay, just contact me here. I'll help you. Okay. Yeah, sorry for that. So I hope like everyone got good knowledge from this session. If you still have any questions, you can unmute yourself and you can ask me. Just drop your name and WhatsApp number to get the today's session recording. Okay. Yeah. Any questions, please? Fine. I hope like everyone is done with your questions and all. Okay. So if you have any questions, as we said, you can contact us on the numbers like where you got today's session link and all. You can contact us there. Thank you all. Thanks for joining session today. Thank you, Sai Sri.